students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. 11th question is, find the fifth term of the arithmetic progression 3, 1 and -1. So, fifth term A5. A5 is equals to A plus n minus 1 times D, and n is 5. So, n minus 5 minus 1 is 4 into D. Now, to find fifth term, we need A and D. A is equals to first term, and first term is given as 3. And D is equals to common difference, which is equals to difference of two adjacent term, that is A2 minus A1. Second term is 1 and first term is 3. So it's 1 minus 3, which is equals to -2. So now we have D and now we have A. So A5 will be equals to A, which is 3, plus 4 times D, which is -2. So this is equals to 3 times -8, which is equals to -5. So our fifth term is -5. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.